Hi and welcome to another video. Today I am going to teach you how to fix generative fill not showing in Adobe Photoshop. So if you're experiencing an issue with generative fill not showing in Adobe Photoshop, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. So first one is to check the system requirements. So ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for using generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. Check Adobe's official website for specific requirements, including the necessary graphics card and operating system version. So next is to simply update Adobe Photoshop. So make sure that you have the latest version of Adobe Photoshop installed. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements, so updating to the latest version may resolve the issue. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and navigate to the apps section and then check for any available updates for Photoshop. So if an update is available, just click update next to Photoshop. So next is to enable generative fill. So confirm that generative fill is enabled in Photoshop. To do this, you go to the edit menu, choose preferences, and then select technology previews. So in the technology previews dialog box, ensure that generative fill is checked, and if it is not, enable it and restart Photoshop. So next is to reset Photoshop preferences. Resetting your Photoshop preferences can sometimes resolve issues related to settings or conflicts. So to reset preferences, hold down Shift Control or Alt in Windows if you're using Windows or Shift Command Option if you are using a Mac while launching the Photoshop. So you will be prompted to delete the current settings and just confirm the action and check if generative fill now appears. Next is to update graphics card drivers. So outdated or incompatible graphics card drivers can cause issues with certain features in Photoshop. So visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. So install the updated drivers and just restart your computer. Next is to disable the GPU acceleration. So in some cases, disabling GPU acceleration in Photoshop can simply resolve issues within certain features. So you need to go to the edit menu, choose preferences, and then select performance. And under there, the graphics processor settings, uncheck the use graphics processor option, and then restart Photoshop and check if generative fill is now visible. Next is to reinstall Adobe Photoshop. So if none of the above steps work, you can always try uninstalling and reinstalling Adobe Photoshop. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation and can help resolve any underlying issues. So before installing, just make sure to back up any custom brushes, presets, or other personalized settings. Next is to, of course, contact Adobe support. So if this issue persists after trying the above steps again, it is recommended to reach out to Adobe support for further assistance. So they have specialized knowledge and can provide specific troubleshooting steps or guidelines based on your specific setup. So just always remember to provide as much as detail as possible about the issue and the steps you have already taken when contacting Adobe support. This will help them assist you more effectively. So that is all for this video, and I hope you will like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. So thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.